Omulimbara high school omuri Kashaka na nomuri Kyambogo. Anna was hardworking. She left me here in Mbara High School. Yaza Kashaka. Abakashaka ni jamu ino that she did wonderful work. And we thank God for that. Yenda sima Anna and Ben for the children they raised. Abana ntubamanya tutanga abantu omuntu abagiremu urukundo. Abana ba Anna tubakabura bo batakora mukisi. Wabena mama takora mukisi ayuso mukono shwa. They have that smile. They have that touch. Many you couple. When I was traveling last night, many never ba Anna na Beno kule na Momo Haro. Nishukaba na ba Aunt Monica Hanuya. Nishukaba na ba Aunt Alice. All sisters here. Abana aba at least abishaba abatime para bilokere nyanji. We are wonderful mothers. And I would say it, we are powerful mothers and we are powerful girls that have contributed to the nation. Anna was an asset even where she was in Kyambogo. Because my office was in Kyambogo some years back. Hatariyo PTA, she had formed PTA. Habe hatariyo hostelo, anogo kumureba, habe hatariyo hostelo. We don't care what the word can say, but we see the good thing in Anna. For Anna, and I will not say that we have lost her, she has gone empty. Because she has been, all her potentials have been put to use. And when God has saw that really He has exploited her, I said, come, my daughter, come into my hands and rest. We thank God for the life of Anna. I will read Nizakshoma Victoria and Chile to say. First Timothy chapter 6, verse 12. Now, fight a good fight of faith. Lay hold of the eternal life, to which you were summoned, and to which you confessed before many witnesses. All of you are witnesses. When I'm going to Anna Armando Taro, for Romoyo. I don't want to repeat what other people have said. I wanted to talk at what God has put in Anna. Anna was a wonderful girl, and I'm sure where she is better than where we are, where we hope to go to. In 2 Timothy again, chapter 4, verse 7, Paulo na Gambati, I have fought a good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Is there anything different with Anna? Anna has fought a good fight. She has finished the race. And surely, therefore, she has kept the faith. And for us who know God, we celebrate. I'm so sure we celebrate Anna. We celebrate what she has put into the hearts, into the lives of her family, into the lives of us the sisters, into the lives of the brothers and all the people. I want to thank Ben for choosing and loving and living with Anna. Ben okwatugulireka emirundi mingi nizayo banyakire. And then I want to thank you before this congregation. Ben respects abanywanyi ba Anna. Tutumentuzayo yamara kutuganirira, yamara kutwakira, atuleka tuzomubozika. Tumbosinje kandi atwakira. Nyenda kusiima abaana ba Ben and Anna. Mwebale kulaje. We know that life is there. Nkaba nkyeragamba na Anna kukugamba abayine statements ibyo nanga tubekine statements ibyo. That God is faithful. Obundi agira ati Mukama n'abimanya. Does not make mistake. He knows the future for us. He has better plans for us. You can imagine this crisis, but He has better plans for us. I want to thank the family of Mzee Makaru. For sure, the years I have lived with Anna, I have never, ever had her complaining about the father and the mother-in-law, and the sisters and the brothers. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You didn't get put stress on her. Stress is Gahandi, Ahalumo, Ahabindi, Kokan Simam. We are not going to share the experience we have suffered, like the time we got the calls, but we want to celebrate the wonderful life that we have celebrated and lived with Anna. We thank God for that. And may God strengthen the family and all of us. Surely, when I received the call, I cried my tears. I didn't cry, but the tears were shedding. Kutoka shai 10, shai 5. Ndezere no taxi abayeno bankera bakumbuza bajata mtakanga nsando taxi. But we will continue mourning until we heal. Let's continue mourning until we heal. God is faithful. God is faithful. He has better plans for the family. He has better plans for us. But in all, I will emphasize on what the son said. Anna went back empty. Has been a seat, and us who were looking at her, let us take it up. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you, sisters, that we are standing here to witness what God has done in the life of Anna. May God bless you.
Takayera sana na Morokore na habeto kutetereza Yesu
Dewarjeni wadana wa Anna mhero juzi akatoro kugamba kwa Teachers Association bija yeje bwa master wa mwame jino tyaje
wewe no MC na yana mutirize protocol tujerere kandi tsaka mubice mukabiri important na nishawahi teachers z'abanyamuje dukomeza mu kugamba the Teachers Association of Secondary School Teachers of Uganda tuza kwa cheza za could you kindly come just stand by me here na nina the teachers z'abanyamuje as we mourn our colleague Anne. Mpenda kusimama tumwena Adija kutubasa sheleza Anne the association YIT, Association of Secondary School Teachers of Uganda, area regions, district na national. Wanitatu yagenda jine New General Secretary Wage Association kandi of region age my brother Benon niwe chair the Western region. Ntubasa guteyandira so much because ntubasa kutwara ibintu byinshi na rero cyekera ko kandi nenda kusima particularly aba Masaka abandi mutumanya brother Mugabo na headinga Kitovu Reverend Brown. Thanks for coming. Then we have the teacher Kijabweni abana bari mu muhanda services like Chakare. Of course, we have couple mwe bali munonga beche bande yes abandi nabitu mweyitwe ka association of course twamubuzinga konka niyo nimanya particularly ndukuzantare 2013 akaba na chair Engage Association Mbaro District kubanza kuba chair by this association niwe na chair pataka mukiri twamanya na kugoke wamugamo basafiri. But I remember Piagira Chambogo became our home. Meeting zip zona ziwa Chambogo. Yes. Nyome Indira Ann, you know, our chairperson of the Mrs. Wanabigo, she's retired. I was talking to her 2 minutes ago. All the meetings should be Chambogo. How many? It is name. It is Elsa. How many? 33. Should prepare. Can't just prepare. She should remain observing. Chambogo is a Canadian Kawaka. But I remember Anne entered into negotiation with the Uganda Kingdom. Babanza baja ngotini zo 2 acres. Lelo twayobe. Tourism leader. Later on, kisha kwa grade 2, but Anna had negotiated that. Twala mrani itakatwake. Anna la jumu go kameza mnonga. Nishuka interaction mnonga yingishuka 2 interactions. Tukajenda hamwe Cape Town Confederation of African Principals. Twazayo pisa na teachers bazo. Nishuka tukali twaruga hall mu essential city eitwa Betuli. That evening tuzaga kumba sele na twala. Ana ya ati we are having our minutes of glory. Ana ya teacher worshu. Abagashoberaho akatawukambika minutes of glory. House girl akana alima both way. Akanangwa shina ngoko na kujironga ngarifinga ko. Yitwaro minutes of glory yatu yashero bayati. Especially turamu atiso kwijahanuya we've had our minutes of glory. Especially when we got teachers yetu. Then ultimately coming to first lady, our Minister of Education, Ministry of choosing a woman head wa repertoire, chief repertoire. Bambuza murunda abantu 8. Nishuka kuna twile amazina 8 ya head teachers. Commissioner wetu Sam Kurowa pia alimenya is among those ones. Yes. Definitely lazima tukoro Mungu. When you want to celebrating Mungu. First of all, if you have a language, akasha Mungu ameshika majati. One ugamba, don't volunteer information. Utaka kwa kugambia hiyo ichama tunatakwenda kufundi. Watakwenda kure. Ana language very refined. Wale agambia chigambo na mechi aliona. And this is the Anna that we know. We are not fair, but we celebrate his life. Her life, brother, was her life. Life is a loan from God, and sleep is the interest we pay towards the Lord. Life is a loan from God. Rangara paroni, yero chwa mubeshejara, uwanogereza interest. At the end of the day, please forget what. What's that word for that? Abana ba Anna Mweba, Bruce Nochmanya, at least $1 million. One time we did not really you shall you walk and when you can't have money was down, goes to Ishka, Shuka, Kokana Priva, Mweba Longa, but in Longa, I have not come, Konka, to Chikam was up for her. You not come, no, lastly, as we see it will the teachers. It will not change. The idea as teaching is a vocation. Vocation is from a Latin word vocare, meaning calling, a vocare. Yuzira, kama nikutigama mano, ugogo kashoma Latin no, achingabele jivencho gore. Vocare. Vocare, no kachime na cheta vocare. Mwewe na maana vocare. I know that I Latin no. So teaching age, abashomisa na wachimani. Teaching is a calling. It's not a job. It's a calling. You are called to serve. You are called to teach. Now, emewe want to kora. Bagamba space nariwa. Ana mwana wanje. Mshala twete. Emewe want to kora kama shonesa. Nitwenda mutubashane kama managers bitu. Pero nachimanya. Last evening I go to Shaman. One of the researcher Anna, she can act as a microcosm of a macrocosm. Now, as a point, Kaka catch it Morabile will choose trouble. If I'm for us, talk show is occasional. Now, they were going to have the campaign in that school. You are a lawyer, you are in charge of excess marketing. Kongantiwe, Wakara, Ukamakela Hori. Nuhaniki kutia wote. Wao kama ni manyama naona tunaenda bonta amalodo bonta school. Ndio kama na wakatawagwa. Kwa chief administrative office in teaching. What shall the sentence kama result you have your course. Kwa teaching is different. Abana prema na wengine kujini tochi. Ebi tochi notao kuona yao biyo kati kwa yao biyo kwa. Last thing. Kwa wale wale kunyocha inyamate bakwenda ko band kandi size ya band bakumanya so that's what you see in fact actually tendo ta kozeba is stupid. We have to do our band at least mutuyande abana batyo stress kwa kama ni just mutuwekeje yawa the foundation body yawa the PTA. Please understand us, understand what we go through. It's very, very important. Very important. Konga kwa shanga kuwasa kuona stress yawa na rukuna rukaga rukuna washa. Whatever number, we go with exchange notes. Au mbre wala hona ni mwana kutera na masomo. Kudeno notes na. Nyenda mtuwete jerezi. Kongo mtu yako gamba kaja ichechi ni hapo kwa izinga mtakishukuri isoba mtuenda mteni chao. It is very difficult. Very stressful. Ni shuka kwa mtukie kutamu makagamba chintu cha stress management. She was there. We were there. Buri association tumaza kugana topikejo leza kwa leo because for us ekikuramu abana tubazi bajya mukumanya teachers tubazi bajya mukumanya yes PH ya paso tubazi bajya some of us who have better I'm lucky. I have worked in several schools from Navy to Geza school. For the first time I think in that school new Piro I have a very good PTA and a very good board. So kama unajua ukaritali nataka chentali nataka maboard na PTA chuma. So kama wasako na chairman wa PTA akugambia agent mojereva no za kuchukura kada bana wacha kama wote kwenda uza kunga bravo tutakaje kwa chairman wa board na wasakta ile ndio data kada kwenda arawe kwa kada kwa mugabo rano ta now from this to no sincerely mutuyambe because ense ine namana turekoriye ni hano nechi changu mnono abana 15 abana kaba changu nyuma ya zetu ekumisha hata abana buri umwe nanaruka family takusha from broken homes from the street abashomesa buri nanaruwa upi. So all that, the only person that will understand you, the only people that should understand you, the board of governors, na PTA. Abana bana kwa PTA. Amena mamasi. Konga this board na PTA should understand you. We are not talking confidence of what killed her, but I know when they feel pressure, diabetes, it's related with that. Finally, na nina abana aho magazine ya Chambo. Chifu manyayawa koze kajiletewa tumwine procurement officer wakasha. Tumwine kama dia, I want to talk about Anna's article. Tumwine imereferee. Echi mshatari wanta ya kwa gambara Anna. Tukoka Anna wachumuza, tukokata Anna Chambo mteganise. You can see. You just come to reflecting. There is a magazine, you can help this student get it. I think in 2015, Anna had this article. ejo ariko ninjishuka so much na rudesho wake international na nyina mushabe na leona secretary wa chango na nyina mushabe kintu ana kahandika article ekindi kwishuka I don't have to go to verbatim, I can paraphrase akagira waba ukora nichena okoro mu wawe kora abo sweeper nichena o sweeping bavuga ngo ujumwe o sweeper bakakwekurenga sweeper nichena oyeyere kora abo taruko baje kugwa na yera ngazaka I remember that para kote oyeyere nichena ngo pateche yezo oyeyere kwa yere waza kujeroje kugwa na yera ngazaka Noriba ko hakatereka seri nani mambo tuchize I'm very sure eyiwaza ibija kujya kokwa na yera aha akasashi that is it association at the national level Gotilda akabire ngo batwire twara atano yo kuzika as ne kokari ikitisha tunturunana we are contributing chakari subsidiary information unit mwebare kana bashobora gushomesa mutakaruha buri umurimo buri challenges special hazards ruhanga gatweza this is our calling and we shall teach you kama simu mwana
byagenda nonga ibyagamba bavuye aho ukiye kubona baraza PTA kature kugamba kwa mama Dr. Hasi ijirogana ogamba wao
Kamasime, my Lord Bishop, the bishops who are here, the Kanisa, Ben, Mario, Brian, Bruce, and Boris, Canon Macaro, the family, about 2 umitiza vitu kama simu. Ikigamu kama simu and tuwasopta meaning to some people, for Karamangana, we thank God in all situations. Akubeba wakubyola babahahwe ibre tunakutubaho tubahawa kama kandi kutufa nabwe tufawa kama my brother, this is God's plan. It may be hard for you to believe, but how I pray that one day you will believe so. Akwatine tubaho na nyingi yao ndio kumba kwetisa tubakuntu kugira makoraga kandi no kasheshi mwabaze very early in the morning. I'm sorry, because we had visitors, so Abana is a tea and breakfast. Abana will say the information you got from me, Yakwati, Chirize, Anna Yatwaro. I'm a Christian, I know God sometimes a moment of confusion. And it's because of Anne's love. When I got to know her, through Ben, through Canon Makaro's family, na yekomya shema komya kahoye, I got to know Ali and Zakijoa Ben. And I found a very beautiful girl, Yomi Shobero, from secondary Shoma, and where I'm a teacher by profession, for and where I'm socialist. And the woman was very smart, very committed, very clean, very loving, and from there, nakuna ana kakuna training ya kumshomesa nataka kutahuma kagema ya high school kwa kan kuleva ana so organize we came so close. Then you know it, Brian you know it, abana kuchanya kandi ishishwaze munonga ndebere banalewa how Anna stood with me yoni ishka nona jo preparations are waiting. Anna counseled me, Anna helped me yangirati. It may not be a soft ground at Kokoma Yamhang. I'm over here, I have corrupted you and you are there, thank you for what you did. And not only that, on my giveaway, I got out of the house with Anne. When we shared here from up, the following day, Brian was our big boy. Look, when in that, the Bishop Shelton, we had Brian in front of us. Anna yakorumje yuwaje na beno ogu. Father gotorwe kwibanga nyine Anna twine Brian ogu n'urujo kwa batona bandi. Then I came to the school as a teacher. Anna was here. We became so close. And Anna Wednesday and Monica Mamanga, the whole team of Mary, like Raha, Anna, and Twehio, they were here with us in Italy, but we were sisters and brothers, and I want to thank God for that love. Nazire umwana okubanga Anna tutekwa kora birthday kanga baby a birthday niki. Mwa kweta na cake kana bana twazire bone. First year, second year, Anna would come home. I shall never know. But she just went, hey, this was our big boy. I'm very sorry for you, Brian. Can it is striking the over the Easter? Anna is another now. Bishop, after Good Friday, Saturday before Easter Sunday, after our 12, I mean, I thought it was money of people at Anna, at Bishop Canavana. Anna brought us a very big cake. When you realize, she came Anna was responsible. Ijo Isa, Ijana Brian, Nava, Bishop Gaho. I didn't know that Anna was saying bad to us. Enjoying and that when that was taken away. And now when they look for a Putinka, we have been in that plan. Now we travel now soon as Anna went to Apple from my son of Drunka. When my visit, dear God, I had that I'm ready. Forget that they are hunger. You eat, Brian look at the cross of Jesus. In the place of Anne, there is a more hand. Mario, Anna as money, you shall always there is all hand. Whatever good you see in money, shall have go to that's when man will receive peace. And actually, the talk of the young and the bishop are one to Kuna Mahure. Yesterday, Antona Kujenda, go in a meeting, not today in a meeting, but not Tia was a fisher, Ponka, Najapisha, Yona, covering a fish of Mazio, Ponkanchakaya, and Yesi, confirmation trips, Pokaya Sharamia, just talk to the Cavoy, the Teresa on Purba. And now he got people as a Gamba, Ponka, and then Guru, I cannot use a message in the nature. It was very relevant. If Murizava, Anna has been so sweet. She went talk about Gamba, but that is Anna. Anna Nakuna Poko. Whichever level you are, Anna got one. Havana and the room, Kashisha to me, Japogabasha, because they know Anne. Factor is sound too. We are watching our video wedding. Right from home, Anna Rumchi, to Shobora, and I was weird. And not only that. We should our wedding. Very early, the first one on that day, Bishop Jamgan. Had so many couples went. When he paid our and his work to come to the Hariton, and twice here we walked those room to our own bedroom here in high school. So I have that cross and memories of Anna, Anna all the way. And I can speak, but as I've said, and Anna, she will just put Anna Nakora, Bruce did. Brian do it, Marion do it, Boris do it. Then of course I have no words. You will see her. And you cannot do that unless you allow God to hold your hand. Tuwapisha basi Anna Nyanza, hata Anna kawaja mwewa ajina ichizo jesumu karubizamu, mwisho tijina another fellowship in heaven. Kama yubare, thank you Canon Makaru, Nomchara and the family because my uncle used and that's how I got to know Anna through them. For Anna ever looked at Femora, and teenager was Rugamba. I will do everything I can for the sake of my family, for the sake of my children, for the sake of my job, Anna has done that. And he has been the team evangel. In the number of Ranga, na mushanju na mukaaga kunizire nitaho mu class niza kushomesa at UCU kunatagirimu nareba Anne as one of my students n'amashoka kunagira nti nareba Monica Mavangu nangano bwakuba another class that was education administration kunagira umubizo nashanga umwana ujibe turiyate. All these are my students, yet they are older than me. Poka Anna was so special. I don't know if I feel that I just want to give you a convention. Is that the correct tense? I was a teacher, but they were there for me. And I want to assure that question student, when she teacher, when she Poka Anna, Rukundoye, Atanchinayo, Yahinderanayo. I think she's sending a strong message to us as women, to us as teachers. It's very stressful. They are different. Having a stress in let us also not come as parents. Stress. Ubutine ana takozire kandi bipereza amani kugira ngo wakora turapanga kubiya mukorasire uryamureba kandi izina rya Mukama ryahise mwenu hangaye no kugamba isho yo kandi kumanya ngo ana ryo nakaba but God spoke to us shana ngina kwanesa abajeje n'abaganga kuza kubyama mwenu kuza kubyama shana kina agatina n'itano bishop kwangira I didn't know Brian, you become Kwamana. I think when I'm confusing it, I didn't know that's the time when Anna was there. Brian, don't make a mistake. You know what Brian and Anna mean to our life. I didn't know Anna Kavariona. But I can't be natural chance in Nita Tugamba, Brian and Anna for coming for their hunger. Our plans are not his plans. Our ways are not his ways. Ogilego bashika ekiturushaba mukama mwakireke. Konkebe mutebe tumuremereko. Kutwakubukora. Ambe kureyale bakana. And you rest in eternal peace.
Reverend Nonga Amaduta Archie, let's go. Apaskaza bagambari. Bijya kushaba. Télévision, Mickey, ou bien d'autres raisons. Écoutez, and that's the testimony. I want to thank my family for that, for encouraging us and for being there for her. Ano bomu pakana kunda munonga lazi akana kunda everybody of him was see ukaelewa yeye wa ukesina vile ni maisha ya kunda no pia ado kuna vile kwa nano kuzana na mna vile kwa dance bila isirio kuzana ya roho kavi kuza. So, and was laughing. Apira na kunala kunonga. And was so developmental. Dinuka, we have a kashaka. And was the first person who could have asked most of the regional. The entire Zorobi school, the Bagai school. Ana ya roho ya kuma kuna ya barabara. Ija ya tayo horo, tayo ke kahoro ya kahoro. Akari the project zile at one time akakamisha na kamjangulwa over the development. Those who are so developmental, even at a family level, and akayi na rao. We have so many plots and developed organized the Yokos Nadaratin, Ukakai Mazal said, I think it's good, right? Contributing and our contributing. And we make sure all our things are in our portfolio. Hana, Akana Kura, hard work, you would work. New York Soviet, adopt Professor, adopt Kexi, adopt Stada, Okumamu. Aí adapta o drama, coisa de that is certainly got a fucking structure. No more where. So she was making cakes which would supplement our income. Which was her attribute. The Japanese woman served that contributed her Davis. And was so forgiving. Yote maneno rode ana mshovizi. Wakana utakapo kamarika. Kokina mshovizi. Yote. Porque esses caras estão todo mundo apontado. She wrote what type of passport is this? It's very about racism. It's Shanati Abu. It's Rodiawa or Rayatra. That's what I'm saying. It's in the hand, and they are doing that shop. No shower, man, as you know. The Mambo shower, the road cancer, or Kandra cancer, about Shodoro shower, partially. You don't wish other, deep syrup. Then Nanashahi of syrup shadra. Now, the water of cup shower, not use. So, bueno saca. Orang mama saja jadi. Orang yang share dulu. So kamu yang hidup siapa? Kamu telah harus tahu. Pembimbing sejarah. Bahawa sejarah kuat. Apa bahaya? Dia berbicara, utah. Non grande la prima volta ma io stavamo sapere non mi da ancora poco questa I feel it bueno non che ma non si na manhã possibile because I have always dreamt that I wouldn't give satisfaction but I knew I would try to go out. E lá vou situar